Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we are going to create a new type of object. We're going to create a cat class. This is a challenge, so now it's up to you to go figure this out. As part of this challenge, you actually have some code that you can copy, of course. So in this case, we've got the code here for class dog, and if we just simply change that to cat, we've already solved part of the problem. Okay, and then you have all these different methods, but we want to replace the bark method with a meow method, as it's going to say self.name is making a sound, meow. And they're going to create an instance of the cat called Minerva, which will have light and dark brown stripes and the breed as a tabby cat. And then you'll call the new meow method and the description method using minerva.meow and minerva.description down here. So this will be your first chance to create your own object. It'll be a little bit of a challenge, but it should be relatively easy to figure out. You already have the sample code here from dog with Fido, and now you just have to follow the instructions to replace things like Fido.name with Minerva.name, for example, and you will pretty quickly be able to create your own object. Okay, so that's the challenge. Get into it. We'll see you again on Python MC. Python MC.